Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is an objects log and which objects have logs. One of the basic Java interview question. An objects log is a mechanism that is used by multiple threads to obtain synchronized access to the object. A thread may execute a synchronized method of an object only after it has acquired the objects log. All objects and classes have logs. A class log is acquired on the class object. Say for example, I have a method transfer account and there is a variable, shared variable called balance. So inside the transfer account we are handling shared variable. So this transfer account, for example, it is accessed by multiple threads. So if you don't synchronize this method, what will happen is the shared variable might be accessed by multiple threads at the same time, and it might become inconsistent. So in order to avoid that, the shared variable, we should ensure that the shared variable is accessed by only one thread at a time. So we should make the steps inside the transfer account method atomic. So for that we can mark this method as synchronized. That means whichever thread is going to access this method should have got the log for this object. Okay, say for example thread 1 got the log and it entered the transfer account method and it started processing all these steps inside this transfer account method. Thread 2 tried to enter this method, but it cannot enter because it does not have the log. So thread 2 will wait for the log. Okay, so once thread 1 finished all the steps and thread 1 releases the log, thread 2 will get the log and it will enter. So this is how we are having locking mechanism, so that we are ensuring that always a single thread enters into transfer account and a shared variable is accessed by only single thread at one point of time. Okay, so in order to have consistent behavior, we need this synchronizing mechanism. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.